If your food isn't cooking properly, try these oven troubleshooting tips. Correctly use cookware that is appropriate for your oven. When baking, follow the recipe's recommended oven rack position. Keep the oven well ventilated to ensure proper airflow and avoid overcrowding. After installation, all packaging materials must be removed before running a cooking or self-clean function. Run the self-cleaning function, if equipped, before initial use to dissipate manufacturing odors and fumes. The oven must be empty before running a self-clean function. If your range does not come equipped with a self-clean function, set the oven temperature to 500 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour and then run the broil on high for 45 minutes to help dissipate manufacturing odors and fumes. Note: set the microwave's air vent to high and ensure proper airflow in the kitchen before running the self-cleaning function to prevent smoke accumulation. If your food comes out of the oven overcooked or undercooked, refer to the owner's manual for instructions on adjusting the temperature offset settings. Make sure the gas type at the range installation location matches the gas type required for your oven. If your oven doesn't turn on, check the circuit breaker. If the aforementioned suggestions do not help resolve your oven's ability to cook properly, please contact Hisense support.